Have you ever wondered what's actually happening in your brain when you fall for someone? Like, not in the he's cute way, I mean the real thing. The sudden spark, the chaos, the obsession. Why do we feel so much for one person and not another? Hi, I'm Ashra, and today I want to tell you something your brain's been doing behind your back. Because when you catch feelings, what's really happening is that your brain is mixing chemicals. Literally. The moment someone starts standing out to you, when their laugh feels like a song, or their name gives you a tiny pulse of excitement, your brain releases dopamine. That's the reward chemical. It makes you want more of whatever made you feel good. So every interaction with them, every smile, every message feels addictive. Because in a way, it is. And then things get weird. Your heartbeat speeds up, your hand feels warm, you get clumsy, nervous, way too aware of your breathing. You think it's just attraction, but really, your body is having a mini stress response because of a spike of adrenaline. Yes, the exact same reaction as when you're scared. Your brain thinks falling in love is a threat, but somehow it feels good. Then comes oxytocin, the bonding chemical. This one's subtle. It gets released when you open up to someone or feel safe around them. It's what makes you want to stay, to talk late into the night, to miss them even when you just saw them 30 minutes ago. It's not imagination, it's neurochemistry. And while all this is going on, dopamine flooding, oxytocin building, your serotonin quietly drops, which is why love sometimes feels like anxiety. You start overthinking, you check your phone a little too often, you replay conversations, wonder if you said the wrong thing, and spiral over a single full stop. That's not you being dramatic, that's your brain literally deprioritizing logic. So, yeah, falling in love looks cute on the outside, but inside it's chaos. Beautiful chemical chaos. It's funny, isn't it? Something as poetic as love is really just your brain doing what it's programmed to do, firing signals, flooding your system, making sure you care. Not because it's rational, but because caring, even messily, is what makes you human. This is the love chemical. Let me know if you want to hear what happens when it all goes the other way, when the high crashes and the brain starts letting go. This is Ashria signing off. Sayonara.